Welcome to Air Freeling. Strap yourself in and enjoy the ride. So liftoff is the Doveton football ground and we're facing southwest. To the right of centre screen is the Pilkington glass chimney stack, and beyond that is the hills around Frankston. We're now at an altitude of 100 metres and we can just see Port Phillip Bay in the distance. As we pan around, you'll be able to see the skyscrapers of Melbourne just to the centre, just to the left of centre. We'll now quickly zip around. Now we're facing east, so towards Fountain Gate, Pakenham, that area. Can make our Bunnings on the right hand side, Princess Highway and Bunnings. And this gives you an idea of the height. That's me casting the shadow there in the middle of the oval. At that point when I looked up, I couldn't see it. I had to rely on the screen, on the telemetry on the screen, to work out where I was, what I was looking at, but I couldn't see the drone at all. So now we'll try a few of the inbuilt features of the drone. This one is known as Rocket. Basically it takes off and goes directly overhead. And this one is the Helix. Basically it's an ever widening circle, and as it gets wider it gets higher. It's a good one for having a look around the area as it goes. This one's known as Boomerang. It's basically an elliptical orbit around me, so it goes out far and then the return journey comes in close, just like a boomerang. Now this here is probably my favourite feature. I've set the drone to follow the car. You'll note it ducks and weaves between the trees as it follows the car, and that's brilliant. I love that. I didn't have to do any of the controls. I just concentrated on driving and it would follow me. So the drone went up. Ahead it sees the trees, so it will come down a little bit to avoid them. Just there. It catches up a little bit. But I think that's brilliant. I love that. And that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the ride.